Hey there friends, on this episode from the garage we're going to be doing something really simple, and that's putting more windshield wiper fluid in this Nissan Xterra. It's a pretty easy process. Let's go for it. All right, for those of you who've been following the channel, you'll recognize that this is actually a new vehicle for us. It's a 2006 Nissan Xterra, so make sure you subscribe if you want to get a bunch more Xterra DIY tips, tricks, and tutorial videos. Now for this job, all we're going to need is some windshield washer fluid. Make sure you get a rating that is good for your specific area of the country. We have this negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit solution, which is going to be good for us here in Colorado. We often get freezing temperatures in the wintertime. And then you also might want to get one of these little funnels. It just makes the job go much easier. You don't get a lot of extra spillage. And what I'll do is I'll put links for these things in the description box below if you'd like to pick them up on Amazon. Okay, so the first thing we're going to need to do is obviously pop the hood. You can find the hood release underneath your dashboard right here. There's a little symbol, and it's just a little black lever for us. I'm going to pull that back, and as you heard, the hood will pop open. And then from the front of the car, we can obviously get underneath here, tap that little latch that holds the hood in place, and we're actually going to just move this right up and put our little hood bar support on. Okay, once we have the hood open, we are going to go over here to the passenger side of the vehicle. And obviously you can see there's a few things we need to do since this is a new vehicle. We're going to have to do some corrosion removal and things like that. But what we're really going to be looking for right now is this little windshield wiper fluid symbol. Now again, for us, it's going to be this big blue symbol, but what you're going to look for on your specific Xterra, if it's a little bit different model, is that windshield wiper symbol there. So I'm just going to pull this cap off. Again, this is just the funnel that's going to go down into the reservoir. It's actually located down here in the vehicle. And this is just the access port. Okay, this is where having a funnel really kind of comes in handy. I'm just going to stick this guy right down in here, and that is going to give us a nice, much larger funnel area to pour our fluid down into. Okay, with the funnel in place, we can now take our windshield wiper fluid, and we're just going to slowly begin to pour down into that funnel. Now again, you need to just kind of keep an eye on the base of that funnel. What we don't want to do is over pour and actually have fluid come up and out of that white funnel area and spill out over our engine compartment. So I'm going to go ahead and just slowly fill this up, and I'll let you know when we're done here. Okay, as you can see, the fluid has come up to the base of where our funnel is. I'm going to take that out and wipe it off, and we're ready to put our cap back on and get that nice and tight. Again, this, just a quick reference for us, there should be a screw that kind of bolts these two together. And that is going to be it, folks. Okay, so it really is that easy. Friends, I hope this video has helped. If it has, would you guys hit that thumbs up button? It lets us know we're making helpful videos. And again, you might want to subscribe because we got a bunch more Xterra videos that we're going to be making really, really soon. Thanks again for watching, friends, and have a great day.